Hey everyone, welcome back to another tech video. In this video, I'm gonna show you that how you can sign out your Apple account in your iPhone, maybe iPad. So when you just go to your Apple account in the settings of your iPhone, and you see that you cannot sign out just like that. You see that there is an option as sign out, and you just click that. They're saying that is not available due to restrictions on your Apple account. So you want to fix that issue in your iPhone, maybe iPad. Simply just have to just follow some steps to fix your issue. Simply just go back and you have to make sure that you have a strong Wi-Fi connection. Also make sure that VPN is not connected. If you have a connected VPN, just go to general section, just tap on that and just go to the scroll down and the end of these settings and see that there is an option of VPN and device management. Just tap on that and here you just disconnect VPN from here. After that, simply just go back and just again go to general section and just scroll down and just go to transfer reset iPhone. Just tap on that and here you just have to just section of reset. Just tap on that and here you just have to reset network settings. After that, simply just go back back and again go to the settings of your Apple account. Just tap on that and again try to sign out. If you don't sign out, just go back and just go to Safari section and here you just have to just go to new tab, just plus on and just simply search and spot.apple.com. just go it and just select a device which you have. I have iPhone, so just I'm gonna tap it. After I just scroll down and again scroll down and again scroll and you see that get spot. Just tap on that and just scroll down and you see that choose the topics. So I have a topics of password and securities, update, backup, and restore, device performance. So I don't have, so just gonna go to more. Just scroll down. If you don't find the problem related to your, so don't worry, just find it. If you don't find, then wait, we have an good option. Let's go to change and if you don't find, just simply just go to spot team again and just go to iPhone and just scroll down again, scroll down, scroll and just again go to get spot and just scroll down and they're saying that choose a topic. So I have a topic of non in that, so it is gonna more again and if you don't find, then I think it's not showing. So I'm gonna go to search and just search Apple account, Apple sign out, Apple sign out, just like that. You just have search it and just go to that interface and here you just have to just scroll down and you see that there is an option of call us. Simply just tap on that and then here you just give you the number for the support team and you just have to just call to the support team and tell the problem that you're just facing that problem. If you don't issue solve after that settings which I tell you recently, so just call it and they try to solve the problem in minimum days, for 2 to 3 days maybe. So that is the video. Make sure you like our video and subscribe our channel for more tech related videos.